Freepik AI Suite claims to be an all-in-one design toolkit, but does it really deliver? If you're looking for a reliable AI design solution, stick around as we dive into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of this platform. Freepik AI Suite offers a range of design tools aimed at both professionals and hobbyists. It combines AI-driven features like image generation, editing, and vector graphics creation. The interface is quite user-friendly, which is a plus for those who might not have extensive design experience. You can create high-quality visuals quickly, a real time saver if you're on a tight deadline. What stands out is the integration of AI, allowing users to generate unique images based on prompts. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, while the suite claims to have a vast library of assets, it's not always clear how frequently these are updated or the criteria for their selection. Additionally, the potential limitations on commercial use for some assets could be a concern for business users. Overall, the experience feels streamlined, but if you're looking for deep customization options, you might find it lacking. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the AI-powered features can significantly speed up your design process, making it great for quick projects. The intuitive interface is also a big win, especially for beginners. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The limitations on image usage can catch users off guard, particularly if you're planning to use designs commercially. Additionally, while there's a good selection of tools, advanced users might find some functionalities a bit basic. Pricing could also be a concern. It's not the cheapest option out there, and without clear transparency on what you get at each tier, it might leave some potential buyers hesitant. In conclusion, Freepik AI Suite is worth considering if you need quick design solutions with AI assistance. It's particularly suited for beginners or those needing fast results. However, if you're a seasoned designer looking for robust features and clear licensing, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but with some caveats.